Center County government needs more space to expand. In fact, it's going to be another expense for the taxpayers.
Now, the office involved was relocated to another building last year, but because of a number of factors, already asking for more room. And with more on this, Gary Sinderson is in our Center County newsroom. Gary?
And Marty, an issue we continue to follow, that's heroin abuse, is again a contributing factor here in adding to taxpayer bills. The particular county office we're talking about deals with a variety of human service issues, including drug abuse, as their calls for help and demand for services continue to increase. Center County's Office of Mental Health and Intellectual Disabilities relocated to the old Corning plant near the Nittany Mall. In the county budget review, the office says they're seeing and helping more people than ever, partially due to the impact of heroin abuse. Now the county commissioners have a pending deal to lease more space for the mental health services in the building, although the details aren't finalized. And one Center County commissioner recently expressed concerns about the unknowns with the landlord, who here is referred to as Sam.
The thing that I'm looking at, I kind of think we're going full circle here is the way that we got into this mess with needing Sam to be here is because we didn't have a plan for our fiscal office at mental health. We overspent by $500,000. And now we're getting into the point where we don't have a plan for this. We don't know if how we're going to lease the space. We don't know what the costs are going to be.
Apparently, the landlord is on board with the request for more space and has it available for the county, with the projected cost of the expansion being $75,000. County administrators are talking about possibly leasing, subletting some of that space. By the way, this is a totally different project than one we've been talking about in recent months in downtown Bellefonte, where they're expanding office space for the Center County court system. Center County's Office of Mental Health and Intellectual Disabilities last year alone provided assistance to close to 3,000 people. Live in Center County, Gary Sinderson, 6 News.